snowed a bunch last night. I need to go do the snowblower. And it's supposed to be like a blizzard pretty much from Detroit to here. And Laura is flying in at like 6. So Laura and Rob, hopefully they have a good flight and still land and can still get home. We didn't get too much last night, a few inches. That's what she said. Done! Good thing I snowblowed. It's already accumulated. Here's the front bumper. I'm gonna drop Kate off at Nana's and then go get some salt and stuff for the driveway. It's definitely pretty snowy out. Alright, I managed to make it up my in-laws driveway. Now I need to get down. So the driveway is like pretty much a cliff and it's not snow blown. So Kate and I had an awesome trip to Grand Rapids. The Kids Festival was alright. It wasn't quite our scene. There were a lot of like lines and that kind of thing. But overall, that was alright. She loved meeting the characters, which is what she called anybody in a costume. And she wore her princess outfit. I think she was Ariel. And that just was a huge hit for everyone there. She loved swimming in the pool there. We, in fact, went swimming twice. At about 8 o'clock, I was like, all right, it's time to get ready for bed. And she said, no, we're gonna go swimming. So we went swimming. Room service was great. It was a really nice weekend, and I'm glad we did. As is usually the case when I fly the drone in the snow, I crashed it, but it is perfectly okay, albeit just a little bit wet. What happened is I was flying backwards, and it doesn't have proximity sensors facing the back, so when you fly backwards, you can fly into things, which is what I did. No biggie.